Hey guys, it's Matthew here from Appliance Testing Supplies. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this Seaward Primetest Elite kit. So as you can see, this kit does come in a heavy duty transit case. It is quite large, but it's able to contain everything you need within the package. So first of all, we have the Seaward Primetest Elite Pat Tester. This guy is the flagship of the Seaward brand with the QWERTY keyboard, battery operation, Bluetooth, memory, the whole works. Next up, we have the direct thermal printer. This one's standard direct thermal printer with the belt buckle, comes with rolled labels. Most importantly, there's also the charging unit that's provided with it. Now the charging unit does come in two components, just so you're aware. Next up, we have the 2D barcode scanner. The system prints 2D barcodes, so 2D scanner is ideal for the system. This too is also rechargeable and comes with a rechargeable lead as well. We have the power supply lead for the Seaward tester. This does have a unique connection. And this will power up your tester, charge the batteries, and let you do leakage run testing. We have an IEC lead for testing extension leads, power boards, and UPSs. We also have a standard USB download lead for downloading your data from the tester to the PC to do your reports. And lastly, we do have two sets of test leads. We have one red, one black. Both of them come provided with interchangeable probes and crocodile clips. So you can do point-to-point testing with this machine. Now finally worth mentioning is the manuals, instructions and the 1-year software license. All of this is provided with the kit, including the Calibration Certificate as well. So all up, that's everything within the kit, guys. If you have any questions, queries, please reach out to the team. We'll be happy to help, and we'll see you next time.